In today's video, I will be sharing common mistake you need to avoid as a fish farmer during your harvest time, especially when you are selling to a market seller. All those women in the market, sometimes they used to be funny and their attitude sometimes can make you angry. But as a catfish farmer, you need to be patient and also stand firm on your plans, your decision, and the policy of the market. This mistake I'm about to share will help you from their excuses, their complaint, and some mistakes that can affect your farm. So, if you are a catfish farmer or a beginner that wants to learn, I believe this video is for you. Try to watch to the end, and I promise you are going to learn one thing or the other from this video. Number one mistake you should avoid as a fish farmer during your harvest time is allowing your buyers to bring their scale to the farm. It's not that such things should not be allowed. You should have your personal scale that you are using in your farm to weigh fish, especially during harvesting time. But two things you should not allow during your harvesting time is to allow the customer dictate price for you. They should dictate price for you. Assuming you want to sell package 3,000, they will now be telling you that in another place they are selling 2,600. They are selling package 2,500. Such complaint or such words, any excuses that they may give to you is none of your own business. Your own business is the fish you are selling for them at the moment. Please, as a catfish farmer or as a fish farmer, do not allow your customer dictate price for you. And number three mistake you should avoid during your harvesting time is selling on credit. Please and please, as a fish farmer, do not sell your fish on credit. You cannot buy feed on credit. Most of the things that you use, the input that you use, they are not on credit. Please, as a fish farmer during your harvesting time, do not allow credit, no matter how favorite that person may be to you or how familiar the person may be to you. Do not sell on credit. Number four mistake you should not allow in your fish farm during harvesting time is this customer. They know how to maneuver their things. You will see some customer, they will bring their own bath or their own rubber, that this is the rubber that they want you to weigh fish, the amount of fish they want to buy in your farm. Please, as a fish farmer during your harvesting time, do not allow any customer to dictate price for you. Do not allow customer to dictate the kind of rubber they want to use to weigh their fish. Do not allow them to bring their scale to the farm. Please, as a fish farmer during your harvesting time, do not allow them to dictate all these things that are listed for you in your farm. And the last mistake you should not allow is doing giveaway. What's the giveaway? I mean that maybe you weigh a fish and it's 1.1, and normal is 1 kg you want to sell, but when you weigh the fish it's now 1.1, and the person has said, I want you give me this is 0.1, want to give me this point. Please do not give any customer any point. If you should calculate that point in a week, in a month, you will see the loss you are going through. All those points, they are benefits and they are leverage to your business. They are leverage as profit to your business. Do not give any point in scaling or the weight of the fish while weighing the fish that you are selling to your customer. Remember what I said. Do not number one mistake you should not allow. Do not allow customer to dictate price for you. Number two, do not allow customer to bring scale to your farm to weigh fish. Do not allow customer to bring their own bath to weigh fish in your pond. Number three, do not sell on credit. And number five, do not do any giveaway in your harvesting time. Your harvesting time is a profit time. It's a time you need to be so accurate, be meticulous, and also calculative, because that is the time that will determine your profit or your loss. I believe you've learned one thing or another from this video. If you found this video helpful, please do well to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you want me to make any video on agric business industry, aquaculture tips, farming insight, do well to make use of the comment section, and I will see you in my next